Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is January bi-weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Cancer. Cancer. High Priestess, Wheel of Fortune and Knight of Pentacles. The Fool, Four of Swords, Page of Swords. Yeah, under the death, the Magician. You are in this energy. Cancer, if you are not now, definitely near future you will be. You are manifesting, you are going to manifest everything in your life like money, career and love, whatever you want. Yeah, your wishes are going to be granted. You will manifest everything in your life. Okay, so let's see your reading. In recent past, High Priestess, Wheel of Fortune and Knight of Pentacles. I think in recent times you are listening to the higher self, you are listening to inner voice, you are trusting your intuition because High Priestess is here. And Wheel of Fortune, things are turning out in your favor. Knight of Pentacles, someone is coming back to you. Maybe it could be your past person, maybe for some it is your new person. Definitely someone is coming back. For some they already approached you, for some if not they are going to be, because they are in very slow moving energy, Knight of Pentacles. But this person is very stable and they are very sincere. It is very stable offer. Right now what is going? The Fool, Four of Swords and Page of Swords. Definitely someone is spying on you on social media. They want to communicate with you. Maybe there is no communication right now between you and your person because Four of Swords. You are undergoing some healing process. You are doing so many meditations. Yeah, maybe you have something in your life. That's why you don't want to talk anyone. That's why Four of Swords, you are undergoing some healing. And Page of Swords, maybe you may be spying on them, maybe they are spying on your social media, some communication, but you overcome this and you will become like this. The Fool energy, living with going with the flow, living in the present moment. This is very very good energy for you. That's why you are the Magician is here. When you are this energy, you are going to manifest everything in your life, because when you are in this energy, you are at a high vibrational energy. Okay, but in near future definitely there is separation. That's why the past person is coming back. Five of Cups, that's why you are undergoing some healing process. Definitely there is separation between you and your person. You are feeling sad, but you don't see the cups behind you. Two of Cups is here. Definitely they're coming back. Yeah, you are isolated from all, not talking to anyone. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Virgo also. Yeah, but end of the day, definitely there is something positive coming in your way. The Star card is here. The person involved in this connection could be Aquarius also. Yeah, things are turning out in your favor. I already told you Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely there is some positive shifts are coming in your life, because the Fool, the Star and Wheel of Fortune is here. Yeah, please listen to your intuition, trust your intuition, because intuition never says wrong. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius or Virgo, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you, Cancer. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. First we will see your person current feelings. Yeah, they want brand new beginning and they want to take leap of faith. And King of Swords, yeah, some communication. They really want to give clarity, some communication, straightforwarded communication. And Ace of Cups with the Fool and Six of Wands, yeah, they really love you so much. There is love between you and your person. And the Fool, they want to take leap of faith, they want brand new beginning with you, and they want to win you back again. Yeah, Six of Wands is here. They want success in this connection. So let's see the near future actions towards you. That's why they're coming back. Yeah, they want second chance. Justice, Libra. Seven of Cups. They may be fantasizing about you a lot. Under the deck, the Empress. They may be seeing you as the Empress, as their Empress. Yeah, Princess of Wands. Communication, messages. One person is younger than the other person in this connection. And Justice, communication. They want second chance with you. They fantasizing about you a lot. Seven of Cups. It is not about options, because it is about fantasizing, because they have so much love for you. They really want brand new beginnings. That's why they want second chance, and it is about fantasizing. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Libra, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. So Two of Wands. The Moon. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. The Moon. Definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe you hiding something from them. Maybe they hiding something from you. There is something mysterious in this connection. Maybe for some, there are some illusions between you and your person. Yeah, see, Five of Wands. There is a lot of drama is going between you and your person. Yeah, you are holding back because there is a lot of drama. Five of Pentacles, separation, cold shouldering. Maybe they are not treating you well. They are very selfish in past, but now they really want second chance. They are coming back. Maybe your person, for some, maybe they may be a player also. That's why you are holding back. You are protecting your heart from hurt, because in past they did hurt. Now you don't want to hurt again. Five of Pentacles, definitely there is separation, but they're really thinking about you a lot. Some communication, because Page of Princess of Wands, they will communicate you. Definitely they will communicate, but you are holding back. But they are thinking about you a lot. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. Again, Five of Swords, definitely backstabbing. They may be cheated on you, lied to you. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy. Cancer. The World. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Maybe the same cycles are repeating between you and your person again. For some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Yeah, Seven of Wands. They won't give up on you. They will try again. I think it's you. You are very defensive right now. It's not your person. Maybe for some it's your person. They won't give up on you because you are holding back here. That's why you are very defensive. And Four of Cups. Yeah, you are not going to accept their offer. Maybe for some your person feeling sad for the missed opportunity. Yeah, you are undergoing some transformation, some awakening. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. Yeah, there is ending. You want to end with this person, this connection, because the death. That's why you are not accepting. You are very defensive. Cycle ending. See how related these cards are. You don't want this person again. For some you do. Depends. It depends on your situation. But they are coming back for second chance. It totally up to you. Cancer. So let's see your person overall energy. Notes. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot, especially when they are alone. And Four of Wands, you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. They want you back. They want this celebration with you. And King of Wands, maybe your person have some ego also. Maybe there are some ego problems. They are very passionate about you. King of Wands. Yeah, Ace of Wands, they want new beginnings with you. Cancer, no matter what, they really want you back. They want to win you back again in their life, but it's up to you, because I am seeing there is a lot of drama is going. You are holding back, but they're thinking about you. Some communication, they're coming back for second chance, and they're thinking about you a lot. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Cancer. Your personal issue reaches resolution. Definitely you will get some resolution to your personal issues. For some, you decided to move on from this person. For some, you will give second chance to your person, whatever may be. Definitely, this is the message from universe. A personal issue reaches resolution when especially full moon in Cancer. Okay, this is your reading and full moon in Cancer. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.